Okay, Bruno Prigent, Head of Security Services, Société Générale. Mr. Prigent, what in the area of security services is coming out of Sibos this year? What are the key themes?
The key things we discuss about technology and then around the blockchain, for example. We discuss also about some evolution of the regulations, for example about the segregation of assets. And then for me, it's the main topics that we have during this Sibos.
And if we talk about technology and innovation, does Société Générale have a specific model in the area of security services?
Yeah, clearly, we are working about these different technologies. And then we have some initiative about the blockchain, but also about the digital tooling as robots. About the blockchain, we have some initiative and we distinguished two aspects about the blockchain. We have the private blockchain and we have the public blockchain. About the private blockchain, we have some POCs, proof of concept, and for example, we are testing the blockchain around the transfer agent activity. Because inside of the blockchain, you have a registrar, and when you have the T activity, you manage a registrar. And perhaps we could have a good adequacy about the blockchain vis-à-vis this activity. About the public blockchain, we have some discussion on the different markets and on the French market, but also in Luxembourg markets, and to try to define what will be a good solution vis-à-vis the evolution of our industry with the blockchain.
So working with some of the fintech companies?
Alors, we work also with the fintech companies around the blockchain, and then we have some discussion with some startups. And we have also discussion about the robots. And then we have also some contacts with fintechs. And also we are discussing with different initiatives vis-à-vis the technology, for example about reconciliation, because you have some startup studies how we could progress on the reconciliation.
You mentioned robot, so what in the area of robot using?
Alors, robots, it's main about, you could distinguish two aspects also for the robots. You have robots for the production, and then the target about that is to improve the efficiency of your process. And then
in custody or in what area?
Custody,
pretty much everywhere.
Yeah, custody, fund administration, about invoicing, for example. And you have also a robot advisor, and then it's to have some intelligence, artificial intelligence, vis-à-vis some needs that you could deliver for your clients. And then it's the reason why we invest about the robots. And perhaps to fulfill my answer, inside of SGSS, I create innovation board. And then
innovation what?
Innovation board. It's a sort of a committee, and then I have the people from my organization, from some countries, from some different activities. And the target of this board is to define our strategy vis-à-vis the digitalization, is to select some initiative, because the target also is to disseminate the digitalization inside of this organization. And then we have some challenges, and the target is to collect all initiative inside of our organization from the people.
And coordinate them.
And coordinate.
And in the issue of regulation, what is new in your area? Are these days of Sibos helpful in that respect?
Yes, because we have a discussion with our competitors, with our friends and so on. And then I mentioned at the beginning segregation. It's a key question as of today, because when you look at AIFMD, UCITS, we have to implement the segregation, and then the target is to have 4 MAS, one for the own account, third party, UCITS, and AIFM. And then we know sometimes it's a little bit difficult, and how you implement the segregation in your system, in your link with the sub-custodian, vis-à-vis the CSD, and so on. And then it's a complex matter, but it's a key matter for the protection of the investors.
And is the issue of RegFin, or RegTech, the new companies that try to do new technology for regulation, also on the agenda? Does your board look at that? Are you investing any?
When you discuss, for example, about the KYC, we know that you have some initiative because for the KYC, you do some process to know your customer, but sometimes you have the same customer in other banks, and perhaps we could mutualize this aspect. Absolutely. And then, yes, we have some discussion with RegTech vis-à-vis this subject.
Now we talk about the different areas. Is the geography of your area changing? Are you opening in new markets? Are you expanding into new markets?
Yes. At the end of 2013, we defined for SGSS a development and competitiveness plan for 2014 and 2016. In this plan, we have the target to open UK market. Now it's alive, it's the case, and then we have 3 new offers, one for the broker dealers, one for the wealth management, and one for the asset management. For each area we are on live, we have a new clients, and then I consider for SGSS it's a great success because after 2 years we are able to deliver this different offer.
So, and overall, Cybos is the atmosphere. You find it's positive, moderate optimism. If you look at security services,
globally, yes. Globally, yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.